Hey everybody, as a professional home inspector, I would never expect just a normal homeowner to use things like a $10,000 infrared camera or a $500 moisture meter or even a multimeter for that fact. But I have come up with a list of the top 15 things we recommend for all homeowners. Okay, we're going to go a little fast here, but don't worry, everything that we say is going to be down in the description below, so don't worry about it. Okay, number one, hey, a good screwdriver set. I mean, this is like a basic, right? Get a set with all different kinds of tips. They come in handy for fixing everything from, furniture repairs, hanging things on the wall, those type of things. You gotta have some screwdrivers. That's a no-brainer. Hey, get ones with a magnetic tip. That's a real bonus, trust me. And a very close second, actually probably number one, a hammer. I mean, you gotta have a hammer, right? When the screwdriver doesn't work, sometimes the hammer does. Anyway, I'm being funny, but hammers come in really, really handy for all kinds of good things. Adjustable wrenches. Hey man, listen, they come in handy for fixing all kinds of things like furniture or tightening up loose stuff around the house. Adjustable wrenches, pretty simple. A tape measure, right? I mean, go figure. They come in so handy, making sure furniture fits. When you go to the store, buying the right size of something, hey, you gotta have a tape measure. And get one with the nice big letters that you can see easily. Some of them even have levels on them. Hey, tape measures are awesome. What would a tool list be without a utility knife? Matter of fact, I remember when I was 15 years old, I worked in a place called Whaley's Market. And Mr. Whaley said, any man or woman with a pocket knife in their pocket gets an extra quarter per hour. I've had a pocket knife in my pocket since I was 15 years old because they are so handy. And when you need them, they're right there on you and you can get things done really, really quick. A utility knife, indispensable. How about pliers? I mean, man, what would a list be without pliers, right? There's all kinds of different types of pliers. Needle nose, add some of those to that list because they just come in so handy for so many different reasons. And a level. They get little small levels that you can use and ones that are just a little bit bigger come in real handy, make you look like a professional picture hanger. Hey listen, cordless drill, man, what a game changer. Gotta have a cordless drill, all kinds of different tips, makes the whole thing much faster. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. How about a saw, some type of a saw, hacksaw, regular saw. Curtain rods don't fit? They do with a saw. Just a lot of different applications for a simple tool. A saw is a good one. Okay, listen to this. A stud finder. Man, does a stud finder come in handy when you're hanging things on the wall. Sometimes you're hanging like hooks in the garage for bicycles and things like that. Stud finder enables you to find the structure so you're screwing the thing into structure and not just drywall that will break easily. Stud finders. And a good flashlight. Flashlights, I mean, this is an absolute no-brainer, right? But remember, flashlights come in all kinds of different types. Handhelds, easy peasy, right? Some of them are magnetic that can stick to, if you work on your car or something like that. Some of them are flexible that you can mount just about anywhere, like a little gorilla stand. Mount them anywhere. There's so many different types of flashlights. Flashlights. Love flashlights. Love flashlights. You know what else? A step ladder. Hey, look, I'm 5'9". I wish I was taller, but this is what God gave me. Step ladder come in real handy. We've got a couple of them that are like 2 steps, 3 steps, and just hang in the. I have one in the garage and one in the closet, so we can get it to those high shelves. A little step ladder comes in really, really handy. Extension cords. Extension cords when you just can't reach the receptacle. Extension cords, but remember, the smaller the gauge means the bigger the wire. The bigger the wire means more current flows through there, and you don't have things like nuisance tripping and stuff like that if you're using larger tools. So buy good quality stuff, never the really, really cheap stuff that might cost you 49 cents. Buy good quality things like that. And hey, WD-40, it's been like a staple forever, right? They loosen things, they prevent rust on things, you got squeaky hinges, you got squeaky anything. WD-40, man, I mean, you gotta have that. And now, let me end with the most important tool. You with me? Speed dial, meaning having your home inspector on speed dial. I think, in my opinion, the home inspector is one of the most underutilized tools in everybody's toolbox, right? Home inspectors have a broad range of knowledge about a lot of different stuff, and they all have a list of contractors that they know and trust if you need to step your game up. So how about that? A great top 15 list? Always remember, if you don't feel comfortable or it doesn't look safe, hire professionals. But I think that's a good way to get started right there with that list. Any questions? Feel free to post them down below. I love talking to people and exchanging. So hey, appreciate your time.